want your channel to get demonetized, stop doing this. My channel almost got demonetized. This video to save you. Yeah, you that is watching this video. Hey guys, it's your girl Peculiar Beauty. Share this video to anyone that you know that wants to become a YouTuber or already a YouTuber. This kind of video you are interested in, keep on watching. So guys, my channel almost got demonetized here on YouTube. So this is what happened. Let me explain. So if you are still using YouTube music, your channel is at stake. Yes, you heard me right. It will not happen now. I'm not talking about tomorrow. I'm not talking about 6 months from now. I'm not talking about 9 months or 1 year from now or even 2 years from now. I just woke up one morning. YouTube started giving me copyright almost all my video. So if you don't want this to happen to you, you need to be at alert. Like, you need to create your own music. Yes. Do not say, oh, it's free music on YouTube. It's free music. Facebook is allowed to, you can use this music. Do not say it's a free music. I know it's a free music, but do you know that it's somebody that actually have this music? Some people do this music, just like, for example, now I'll do this music and put it on YouTube. Do you understand? Later on, these people can go and put copyright on this music. So if you don't want to experience copyright, do you know that when you're having too much of copyright on your videos, do you know your channel can be demonetized? Yes, your channel can be demonetized. It happened to somebody. I'm so grateful that nothing like that happened to me. But just because the page I'll be getting, the channel I'll be getting a lot of copyright music, they demonetized the page. I was so lucky that nothing like that happened to me, because immediately they just sent me, oh, this video have copyright on YouTube, this video have copyright, because most times I delete my YouTube, because sometimes when I don't have space on my phone, because then I was not using camera and all that, so I'll just delete my YouTube and all that. Sometimes because I was not always on YouTube and all that, I will just receive message. In a day, I can receive like 3 notifications from YouTube that my videos have copyright. These are videos that is monetized, or these are videos that I've collected money from. Do you understand? So if you don't want to experience this, I'm saying now, to avoid all this kind of thing, try, if you want to become a successful content creator, like you want to stay on YouTube and Facebook too, because most people these days, somebody like me, I do Facebook, I do YouTube. These things that is happening on YouTube is also the same thing on Facebook. Yes, you need to do your own music. You need to do your own music, and when you are doing this music, you need to put copyright. If you don't put copyright on this music, later on Facebook or YouTube, they are going to put copyright on the video. They will tell you that somebody is claiming the video. I don't know if you understand. So that's why when you are making your own music, you need to put copyright. It's a must. You need to put it. If not, somebody that see you now, for example, now just as I'm making this video, I put a beautiful music background in this video. I am the owner of, for example, I'm the owner of the video. I didn't put copyright. You that is watching me now, you can be saying, oh, I love this music, because that's how a lot of people actually do here on YouTube. They will see this music, oh, I love it. Not only on YouTube, content creator everywhere, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. That's how they normally do. If they see this music, they like it, they will download it, they will use it for their video. The funny part is that they will not only use it, or they will go and put copyright in the video. I don't know if you understand. So when you are making your own video, when you are making your own music, make sure you are putting copyright. If not, another person will put copyright and you cannot claim that music again. If you want to see this kind of thing on your channel, avoid it. It can demonetize your page. I'm not even you don't expect me to come to this place and tell you what is not functioning. I don't know if you understand. I want to have this kind of thing. I don't know if it's only me. YouTube gives copyright in my video. Like most of all my video, I have copyrights. So immediately I see it, I'll just remove it. I'll just remove the music. That's how I did it. I didn't leave it like maybe the whole day, or how many I'll just leave it for like how many days, like you understand, it can demonetize your page and all that, because it's too much. See, in a day YouTube can send you 3, 4, 5. To delete the video, you need to erase the sound. If you want your channel to be demonetized, please make your own music. Make your own music. When you are looking for money, I know we all here, we are looking for money. You use money to look for money, right? So do the right thing to avoid all these things. It might not happen to you, you may not experience it. That's just what I'm saying. The robots cannot meet your page. The robots can meet another person's page. Do you understand? So I'm just talking from experience. So thank you so much guys for watching. I really appreciate, and see you guys on my next video. Bye.